How to log into your TikTok account on PC or laptop. TikTok offers a web version for desktop use. Simply open your preferred web browser, any example Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and simply tap on the search address bar and type down TikTok official website www.tiktok.com. Then once you are in the official website of TikTok, you can see login option available in the top right corner of your screen. Simply tap on the red highlighted login. Now, you can log in using one of several methods: email, username, and password. All you have to do is enter your registered email or username and password. QR code login. Open TikTok on your mobile device and scan the QR code on the PC screen, or simply use social media or third party accounts and log in via Google, Facebook, or Apple if your TikTok account is linked to any of these services. Once done, your TikTok will smoothly be available on web. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.